Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Boost Unavailable on Facebook page. First of all, open up Facebook. After opening Facebook, click to go into your profile icon from the top bar. As you can see, the Boost button from the post isn't working. So go into Menu from the top right corner. Scroll down to click on Help and Support. Then tap on Report a Problem. Press OK and click on Report Problem. After that, click on Include a Report so you can select the product for your report as page. Now describe your issue as My Boost is not available and go ahead and provide more information as I'm doing right here. You can copy the same thing or you can write it in your own words. After that, tap to send your report. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.